Now let us look at question three. This question consists of two parts, namely part A and part B, and should be treated independently from each other. Now, part A, we have the following information that relates to gas lighting holdings. So this is the information that we've got. By now, guys, you should know what you need to look for. The statement date is the current month, and also check the credit limit there, and always check if the balance doesn't exceed the credit limit. Here they said interest will be charged at 8% per annum on accounts that are 60 days and older. They gave us the balance there. So we've got 3 months here. We've got November, December, January. So January will be the current month, meaning December will be 30 days and November will be 60 days. Okay. That is if they do ask for actually, they do ask for it for the debtor's age analysis. Now we need to refer to information relating to gas lighting holdings to complete the age analysis for account K staff rights, and they already put the balances for us and set amounts as well for us there. You will notice that they entered the invoice and then there's a receipt of 13,950. Note that that'll go to the oldest debt, which is the 17,000. So you will take that and minus it from the 17,000, which is 90 days plus. Okay. So you're going to take that 17,000 and minus that 13,950. Okay. And obviously, this is the number of months you will have. The current month, as I've said, will be January. That payment goes with a discount. So the discount will follow the payment. So we'll put the discount under 90 days as well. We're putting it as minus because it reduces what we owe. Then there's an invoice zero on the 8th of December of 900. That'll go to December. Okay, it's already there. And then we have a payment again. Actually, it's a credit note for 900. Please note that that credit note for 900 will follow the invoice before it. So that 900 will follow the 9,000 rand, which was the invoice issued before that credit note was issued. Okay. And then we've got a receipt for 2,600 that goes to the oldest debt again. Now, before I can even calculate how much will go to the oldest debt, all I'm going to do is balance it out first, okay? Simply balance it out first and check how much you owe in October and only allocate what you owe to October. And when you do that, your balance for October will be 2,000. So out of the 2,600 that was received, you will only allocate 2,000 to October. The remainder will go to November, and the remainder will be 600 rand, to the point that in October we will be owing nothing. The next one says that there's a voucher there, which was in the PCJ for 50 rand. That is a refund. Because it is a refund, it will result in us owing. So things like your penalties and things that you are going to owe interest, you allocate it to the month it is charged. So that voucher will go to December. We will add it to December. It will increase what this data is owing us. One last one is the invoice. So we're done basically. So all you have to do is to total, and that's all. The next question. Here we need to calculate the interest that will be charged to the account of case staff rights based on the age analysis above. Also state which column it will be added to and why. Well, when we calculate this interest, I'm going to go to my debtor's age analysis. For November, you'll realize that we were owed 1,950, and that is the only debt that is 60 days plus. We will take that and multiply it by the interest. And interest, we highlighted it there, it's 8% per annum, guys, per year. So you don't just take that 1,950 and multiply it by 8%. You also have to multiply it by 1 over 12 because we only want interest for 1 month, which is the month of January, the current month. Okay, so that interest will, as a matter of fact, be included in January. That 13 rand interest will be included in January because that's when it created a debt. Okay, so it'll be added to the current month, not current year, current month. Okay, it'll be added to the current month, and the current month is January, right? And that is because it's a debt, it's a new debt, and because it's a new debt, it will be allocated to the month that it was created, which is January. Hope that was good. Let's go to part B. In part B, we have information relating to Modlia's packaging. Jason is the newly appointed bookkeeper of Modlia's packaging. He has been having problems in preparing the monthly creditors reconciliation as the balance of a creditor's account in the creditor's ledger does not coincide with the statement of account received from the supplier. Some errors and omissions had been discovered. And this is what we have as the statement. Obviously, this is the ledger. So what you need to understand is that we are styling new suppliers. Okay, that is our supplier. We are Modlia packaging. That is us. All right, this is us. And style the new suppliers is them. So we received the statement from them. When you compare these two guys, you will start from where the balances are the same. And you will notice that the balances are the same over here and they're the same over there. You start comparing from there. What about the closing balances? What do you do with the closing balances? You actually put them there as balances if they're not there already. And then do your comparison. 9,000, is it there this side? It's a payment and it looks like it's there, so I will tick it. The 450, it's not there because I saw 900 this side. And 6,900. Did I see it this side? Yes, it's there. It's an invoice, so you will tick it. The 900 debit must be a credit this side, and it's already there, so we have to tick it as well. 5,800, I did not see it that side. I also did not see 1,000 and that 500. And this side, I did not see that. So let's figure out what is going on here. They told you under additional information, discount reflected in this on the statement on the 7th of January 2024 is correct. Okay, so it's in the statement, meaning that if they're different, this is the statement. It tells you that this one is correct. Okay, that means the one that we've got is wrong. So it's the problem is us. So we need to correct it. We gave ourselves a discount that is less than what we're supposed to give ourselves. Because it's a discount reduces what we owe, so we will take the difference and reduce it in the creditor's ledger because we are the ones that actually made the mistake. After an investigation, it was established that this invoice on 20 January 2024 is in respect of a purchase made by another business. So that invoice that they're talking about is this one here. So it's not ours. That means the problem is them. They need to fix it. They added it. So what they need to do is to make sure that they reduce it. And we're gonna go to these, and then in the creditors reconciliation, that's where it will be fixed because they are the ones that made the mistake. All of these ones, guys, please note that they happened after the statement date, and the statement date was on the 20th of January, but when you look at the creditors ledger, it continued up to the 29th. So that 5,800, it will be added under creditors reconciliation because it was not recorded by the creditor. It is just an omission. Those repayments will also be in the creditors reconciliation statement, and we will show them in brackets. And that's it, guys. This is it. This will be the next question. Keep watching as I will be going through question 4 later on. Thank you for watching. See you later.